Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinis World. We usually make dum biryani with chicken or mutton. Did you ever try making dum biryani with prawns? It tastes amazing and very light on our stomach. If you follow this recipe step by step, you're going to enjoy a delicious restaurant taste dum biryani. So, let's get started. In our channel, I have shared how to make biryani masala to get perfect restaurant taste biryani every time we make. You can find the recipe link in the description box below or suggestion card above. If possible, try to marinate overnight or at least 6 to 8 hours so prawns will absorb all the spices and becomes very juicy. Friends, salt is most crucial part of making biryani. Actually, 1 teaspoon of salt is enough for each cup of rice, but we should always add 1 extra teaspoon of salt to get the perfect saltiness when rice gets cooked. Friends, soaking rice for 1 hour not only helps rice cooking very quickly and it gives nice long texture. Thick bottom vessel helps to avoid burning of prawns in the bottom and also prawns get perfectly cooked. When rice is 60% cooked, quickly spread the rice as first layer and top it with mint, coriander leaves and fried onions. By the time we finish first layer, that is after 3 minutes, rice should be at least 90% cooked. Now quickly drain the water from the rice and spread as a second layer. Friends, even though it's little time consuming and longer process, this way of making dum biryani will have the unique and best taste with juicy meat like our favorite restaurant biryani. Friends, can you see the bottom of the vessel is very clean and our prawns are so juicy and perfectly cooked. Friends, I'm sure you'll love this recipe. So do try making biryani this way and make your family and friends enjoy a perfect restaurant taste biryani whenever you make. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and share it with your family and friends. Thank you.